Welcome students, today we are going to learn about how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Fraction. What is fraction? First we will discuss about fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole number. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. For example, this is an example of a fraction. Here, the topmost value 2 is called the numerator and the bottom value 6 is called the denominator. And this bar is called fraction bar or the division bar. Improper fraction. Fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. So, in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator and numerator could also be equal to denominator. For example, 8 upon 4. Here you can see that numerator 8 is greater than 4 denominator. Again, in the second example, numerator 13 is greater than denominator 10. In third example, both numerator and denominators are equal. And in the last example, again the values of the numerator and denominator are equal. Mixed fraction. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed number or mixed fraction. For example, this 2 is called a whole number and this is a proper fraction. So, the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction called mixed number or mixed fraction. Similarly, in the second example, 9 is a whole number and 8 upon 14 is a proper fraction. So, both together are called mixed number or mixed fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. A mixed fraction is given which is equals to 3 whole number 6 upon 12. Now, first of all, we will check how it is written here. Here 3 represent quotient or a whole number, 6 represent remainder and 12 represent divisor. So 3 here you can see quotient or a whole number, 6 is the remainder and 12 is the divisor. So how can we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? We will use this formula to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. We will multiply quotient with divisor and we will add remainder and divide the whole value with the divisor. So, let's convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. First of all, what is the quotient here? Quotient is 3 here, remainder is 6 here and divisor is 12 here. So, we will multiply quotient with divisor which is 12, then add remainder which is 6. Now divide the whole value by divisor which is 12. The numerator values are 3 into 12 are 36, 36 plus 6 42 and divisor will remain same which is 12. So in this way we can convert any mixed fraction into improper fraction. Another example. Here the mixed fraction given is 5 whole number 6 upon 9. Again we will check that 5 is a quotient or a whole number, 6 is the remainder and 9 is the divisor. So 5 is a quotient or a whole number, 6 is the remainder and 9 is divisor. So how can we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? We will use this formula, multiply quotient and divisor and then add remainder. And we divide the whole value by the divisor. So let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. As we know that quotient is 5, divisor is 9 and remainder is 6. So we'll multiply quotient and divisor. 5 multiplied by 9 and we will add remainder which is 6. Now divide the whole value by the divisor which is 9 here. After solving it, what is the value of the numerator? 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 6, 51 and The divisor is 9. So in this way we can convert any mixed fraction into improper fraction. Can you convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction? A short test for you. Here two problems, two sums are given. You have to convert them into improper fraction. Good luck and thank you.